what really happens when you ask SAP Joule an analytics question. Instead of opening dashboards in SAP Analytics Cloud, filtering data and building charts, you simply ask, show me sales by month, what's driving revenue decline in Q2? Compare regions for this year. And Joule understands the question, converts it into a query, fetches data from SAC, returns charts, plus explanations. No dashboard navigation, no report building, how it actually works in simple terms. There are three things happening behind the scenes: natural language to query translation. Joule interprets your question and maps it to SAC models. Just ask in SAC. This is critical. Your data needs to be indexed and prepared for conversational access and roles. What you see depends on your SAC permissions. Not everyone sees the same data. So this is not just AI answering. It's AI sitting on top of governed enterprise analytics. Why this matters? This is the real impact. This changes how analytics is consumed inside companies. Today, business users depend on analysts. Reports are pre-built. Questions are limited to dashboards. With Joule, users ask their own questions. Insights become on-demand. Reporting becomes conversation-driven. Everyone's talking about AI in analytics. But here's what they're not telling you. This isn't about the AI at all. It's about the setup. And that's where most people completely fail. You're connecting SAP BTP, Analytics Cloud, Workzone, OAuth clients, destinations, identity sync. Miss one layer? Joule gives you nothing but generic answers. Analytics teams aren't going anywhere. They're just shifting from report builders to data model designers. Want to learn the full setup? Check the link below. It's about making analytics accessible without changing the data layer. Your SAC models still matter, your permissions still matter, your data quality still matters. Joule just becomes the interface. Big picture. If this matures, dashboards won't disappear. But the way people interact with them will, instead of open report, filter, analyze, it becomes ask, refine, decide. We've been going through these Joule setup guides recently, and this one stood out because it shows where SAP is heading with analytics. Less UI, more conversation. If you're working with SAP Analytics today, this is something to watch closely. Level up with Anubhav trainings. Mail us to enroll or inquire. Contact@anubhavtrainings.com.